Hi, this is a short video highlighting a selection of videos on Bike and Beaches channel. As you may know, we film video trips around the Costa Blanca, Spain. These include famous beaches and mountain adventures by motorbike. Each clip has a clickable link in the description below. One thing to bear in mind, these clips were filmed between February and early May 2016, so the beaches might not look at their best. Enjoy! If you enjoyed this video, perhaps you wouldn't mind subscribing to the channel and giving us a like. It helps a lot. This is why I come up here into the mountains. You see the mountains stretching out in every direction, and not another person in sight, apart from him. Absolutely beautiful. If you lasted this long through the video, thank you very much, and catch you on the next one.